Hello, my name is Pablo, and I'm presenting this work, which is a framework for code generation for the IoT. So this work is basically a framework that generates a service for IoT applications. And we are presenting this work, which makes part of another bigger project called the Swarm, which I will talk about in this presentation too. The outline is like this. We will begin by presenting the SwarmNet project, that is the bigger project in which this framework was created. Then we will talk about the Swarm services, which are an important component of the Swarm network. Then I will go in detail about the SwarmGen framework for code generation, and then I will conclude the presentation. So we created the Swarm project because of this, because we had in mind this structure, this classic structure of the Internet of Things, which is basically sensors as data providers and all the processing in the cloud, and then it is sent to some actuators to do the actual physical work. So as the devices are getting more powerful and more intelligent, we think that there is a big opportunity to create a richer communication among devices. And this opportunity led us to create the Swarm project, which is, in the Swarm project, the cloud is not the main protagonist, but this is an important component of the Swarm. So in the Swarm, we have peer-to-peer communication between intelligent devices, because now we focus our development in the communication of edge devices and all the richness which comes out from this communication. So another important thing in our network is that it is kind of bio-inspired. So we believe that these smart devices, these powerful devices that we have today, they will communicate in ways that will produce intelligent collective, emergent intelligent collective intelligence. And this is very important because it will create a very big network. Now, some forecast says that in the future we will have networks of devices, about billions of devices. So we want to be prepared to take advantage of this. And this project initiated long ago, first in the University of Berkeley, and then we collaborated with them, and now we are continuing this work about the Swarm network. So, and the important thing about the Swarm is that we consider devices as a service. So every device has its functionality exposed as a service, actually as a RESTful service. Because this is important because we try to use always standards, open standards to communicate devices. So we have to avoid proprietary communication standards or protocols to make it more compatible. And the important thing is that we create services, and the service acts on behalf of the device in the network. And this is important because we can use other technologies developed for services, like the microservice architecture, where we can take advantage of a lot of infrastructure to manage the services.